Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a 2016 Jeep Cherokee headlight bulb. Park on level ground and engage the parking brake, then open the hood and prop it securely. Remove the plastic dust cover behind the headlight assembly by twisting counterclockwise. Carefully unplug the headlight connector, then release the bulb retaining clip. Handle the new H11 bulb by the base only and reinstall in reverse order while checking alignment. Start by turning the steering wheel for extra clearance and inspect the rear of the headlight assembly. If the washer reservoir obstructs access, remove any fasteners and shift it aside carefully. Locate the round dust cap and twist it to remove exposing the bulb socket and wiring. Keep track of any screws and clips in a small tray. Take photos if needed to remember the original orientation before unplugging anything. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like this video. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. They keep lunches tidy after greasy hands and prevent spills in your trunk. They stack nicely and seal tight, which is perfect for roadside snack prep. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. With the dust cap removed and the old bulb out, inspect the connector for corrosion or damage and clean it if necessary. Wearing gloves or using a clean cloth, place the new H11 bulb into the socket, making sure it aligns with the tabs. Fasten the retaining clip, then reconnect the wiring harness firmly. Turn on the headlights to confirm proper function and beam aim before replacing dust cap and any reservoir fasteners you removed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.